As Amanda. We will be designing a website for a hospital, and we're going to go over some visual elements. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So for visual organization, this is how you would use organization through a website that would be easy of use for the user. So I did do a text citation. According to Ricardo, Sandra, and Ali at the Journal of Hospitality, color combinations, the type and size of fonts, animation, sound effects, and the clarity and readability of text make a website both visually attractive and user-friendly. The visual above shows the website as an easy to use and well divided for what the hospital has to offer for the patients. Next is visual simplicity. Again, the image is showing the hospital as overall best hospital to visit if you want the best experience as a patient. The website continues to be user-friendly and you don't have a problem being able to identify certain details. Next is visual interactivity. According to Ricardo, Sandra, and Ali at the Journal of Hospitality, information on a website is critical to attracting viewers to a certain website. As you can see, the image above, you can break down the information easily by the images and the links that you can click on for each resource. So when you're viewing this website and say you're trying to learn how to be admitted, or you don't know where you're going and maybe you're looking for a map, or maybe you're trying to get billing and insurance, different pinpoints on here show you where you could go, and that makes the website overall be interactive with the user that is viewing it. So, next is our charts and graphs. So, according to Rodriguez at Visualing Financial Data, visual communications can alleviate problems related to your complex data, extract key points from your data, and help you create a visual narrative. For example, it is easier to create a sequence of events, influencing factors, and unknown truths that become clearer with visual communications. Images. According to Chang at Journal of Marketing Communications, the web is a promising vehicle for global communication that can use all kinds of tools, including advertising, public relations, sales promotion, direct marketing, and personal selling. The images above attract the audience of a patient you see that is seeking care for their certain needs. For example, a family member may want to research the hospital before admitting mom to hospital care. The viewer will find comfort behind the photos as you can see the patient-to-doctor interaction and the modern technology that will ensure that the hospital stays updated for patient care. So again, I'm just going to run through this. When you see someone viewing this website, you obviously have a sense of clarity on if the hospital is well-rounded, and do I want to put my mom at this hospital because of the patient care that they're providing. The images would help somebody persuade into that mindset that they would want to visit the hospital and become a member of that hospital, and be able to continue care or start care. Alrighty, well, I am going to wrap this up. I did want to say something about interactivity. I know that when someone's viewing a website, if you can't you know, that you only have someone's attention, so there's minutes, maybe even seconds of someone's attention that you get. So if you know how to create a website that is going to have interactivity with it, you're more likely to get more volume on that website. So interaction is going to help increase volume. Simplicity is going to help increase volume because people can look at this website and be like, oh, this is something that I don't have a problem when I come on here. I know where to find radiology department. I know where to find hospice, you know, things like that. And then, you know, organization, you can see the taskbar, patient care, education, research, community, about us, all there. Call us here at this number. That's all about the way the font looks and the drop down menu. When you do click onto the arrow, it drops down a ton of information or, you know, little details that you click on. Alright, well, I'm gonna end this video. My references are here, and then I will drop the video link here. Thank you for listening.